Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we're going to explore AI Project Cycle Part 1. That is how artificial intelligence projects are built, step by step, using a structured framework known as the AI Project Cycle. Just like a science experiment follows a procedure, AI projects also follow this cycle to move from a problem idea to a real-world AI solution. We'll also learn how to identify stakeholders, set clear goals, and consider ethical issues while designing an AI project. The AI project cycle is like a roadmap for developing an AI system. It helps us go step by step from identifying what problem we want to solve to collecting and analyzing data, training models, and finally evaluating results. Without this structure, AI projects can easily lose direction. This framework ensures that the project stays organized, goal-oriented, and ethical. The AI project cycle consists of five main stages: problem scoping, understanding what problem we're trying to solve; data acquisition, collecting relevant data to address that problem; data exploration, studying and cleaning the data to find patterns; modeling, building AI models that can make predictions or decisions; evaluation, testing how well the model performs; and refining it. It's an iterative process, meaning we often go back and refine earlier steps to improve the final result. The first step, problem scoping, is the foundation of your AI project. This is where we ask questions like, what problem do we want to solve? Why is it important? Who will benefit from the solution? You must also set clear, measurable goals. For example, instead of saying help farmers, say develop an AI tool that predicts rainfall for farmers. During this stage, it's equally important to identify stakeholders and think about the ethical side, privacy, bias, or fairness that could affect the project. Stakeholders are anyone who has an interest or role in your project, directly or indirectly. For instance, if you're developing an AI model for detecting crop diseases, your stakeholders could include farmers, agricultural scientists, government agencies, and even consumers. It's important to understand their needs and expectations early because that shapes your project's direction and success. A well-defined goal gives your AI project direction. We often use the SMART principle: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to set strong objectives. For example, build an AI model that predicts the air quality index for Delhi one day in advance using real-time weather data. Such clarity helps you decide what kind of data you need and how success will be measured. Every AI project raises ethical questions. For example, if your AI system uses personal data, have you ensured privacy? If your data comes from biased sources, your model might produce unfair results. AI must be transparent. People should understand how decisions are made. As responsible AI developers, we must always reflect on these ethical concerns before implementing solutions. One of the most important aspects of the AI project cycle is that it's iterative. That means it's not a one-way process. Suppose during modeling, you realize your data isn't sufficient. You might return to the data acquisition stage to gather more. Or, if your evaluation results are poor, you may revisit problem scoping to redefine your goals. This loop of improvement continues until your AI system performs effectively and ethically. Let's take an example, an AI system that predicts crop yield. We start by clearly defining the goal, helping farmers plan better. Then, we collect relevant data like rainfall and soil quality. Next, we explore the data to understand patterns and use a model to predict yield. Finally, we evaluate how accurate the prediction is and refine the model. This shows how each stage of the AI project cycle connects together to solve real-world problems. To summarize, the AI project cycle helps us structure our thinking while building AI solutions. It's not just about coding or data, it's about understanding problems, people, and ethics. Always remember, AI should solve meaningful problems responsibly, and improvement is a continuous process. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.